and up. We do our side. Our side one. And up. Again. Good. And up. This time hold long. Ready? Hold longer. Stay. And up. Okay, what you mean? Okay, so this leg and bend, body turn to this way. Okay? Yes. That's right. Stay. Okay? Okay, right now we go forward, stretch. Stay there longer. Don't move. 8 more counts. Let it go. And up. Up. Right now, bending your knee, hold your foot, stay. Stay there, don't move. Stretch, stay. Stay. Hold there. Right now, release. Let your knee, let your leg just bend on the floor. Right now, we go back. Stay. Yes, kneel. Hold there, okay? Don't move. Stay there. Continue stretching your leg. Stay there. Do as much as you can. Stay. Stay. Okay, up. Right now, we will switch to our side. Both knees straight. And then we bend our side leg front. We do our side. Yes. Okay. Right now, we go front. Hold there. Let the hip open. Stay 8 more counts. Don't move. And up. Good. And then bending your knee. Hold your leg. Yes. Just stay there stretching. Okay, you can hold a little tight if you can touch your hip. Touch your hip. What? How much you can do by yourself. Okay. Yes. Stay. Hold. Okay, put it down, and then go back. Continue stretch. Yes, just stay there. Very good. Hold there, let it go. Let it go. And up. Okay, up. Right now, continue both knees straight. Okay, right now, if your flexibility is better, 小胡 put your pillow in front, under. Okay, and then we do stretch. Right now, we stay longer. Okay. Okay, we will stay 2 minutes for that. Okay, all the way down. Stay. 2 minutes. Don't move. Just stretch. 30 more seconds, okay? Stay. Almost. Stay. Okay, up. Okay, watch me. Just rolling for a little bit, okay? So from here, just rolling and up. Rolling and up. Rolling and stay. And up. One more time, okay? Rolling, okay? Rolling and up. Rolling and up. This time stay diagonally. Yes. All the way down. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Okay. Okay, up. We do our side. Come on. We change to our side. Okay, our side. We also do 2 minutes. Come on. Stretch, okay? So 2 minutes minimum every time you're at home. 2 minutes minimum, okay? All the way down. Yes, feel relaxed, let it go, little by little. Don't against it, just let it go. Stay there, don't move. Hold it. One more minute. Stay there, okay? Don't give up. I know right now it's not comfortable, I know. Just don't give up. Very good, Vanessa. You already go down a lot. Okay? Very good. Just stay there. Almost done. Everybody be tough. Okay, so right now just relax a little bit, rolling a little. Okay? So rolling down,